that is something that most of us have questioned about it. There are so many things people talk about, like don't eat this, don't eat that, this makes you slim, this makes you fat. But don't you think sometimes it becomes very complicated? Actually, we all want to know something that is very simple and very minimalistic and which can be followed at home only. So today I am going to share some simple diet tips with you which you can follow at your home only. So there are only four parameters which needs to be focused, which is first what to eat, what not to eat, what to do and what not to do. So let's talk about that. So what exactly we should do? We need to drink plenty of water throughout the day as water helps to flush out all the toxins from our body. Go for healthy snacking. So whenever you feel hungry or whenever you feel to have something as a snack, don't go for those biscuit and cookies available to you. Instead, you can go for some raw vegetable like salads, fruits, smoothie or shakes or whatever you have has to be the healthy one. So now we will talk about what not to do. So don't drink water before 20 minutes and after 20 minutes of your meals, and of course not during the meals too. Never skip your meals. We generally think that diet means eat less. No, we are wrong. Diet means eat right but not the less. So whatever you are eating, eat in the right proportion. Skipping meals will not help you lose weight. So let's talk about what to eat. So we should eat our homemade and fresh foods only. So whatever you are cooking at your home, that is more than enough to lose your weight. So if we talk about our eat well plate, it has carbohydrates, it has proteins, it has vitamins and minerals, and it has fats too. Try to increase the amount of raw vegetable and fruits into your plate. Don't forget to take carbohydrates too. It is one of the macronutrients. Have good fats instead of trans fats. Have a balanced meal so that your body can absorb all the nutrients from your food. Then only you will become healthy, as healthy body does not gain weight. Do some physical exercise daily, be it yoga, aerobics, dance, walking, running, jogging or whatever you are doing. 40 to 60-minute daily exercise is mandatory. In this last section of this video, we will talk about what not to eat, which is the most important part of everyone's lifestyle. Avoid refined sugar or white sugar. This is completely processed food which has to be avoided. Then we need to avoid refined flour, which is maida. This is the worst thing we can put into our stomach. Please try to avoid packaged food. This is full of chemical and preservative which harm to your body. And last, jaisa an vaisa man. Try to have vegetarian food as it is full of energy and life force. It is easy to digest also. So try to apply these simple diet tips into your life and make yourself a better you. So that's all for today's simple diet tips. Me, dietitian Nutan Gupta, signing off. I'll be back again with another food content. Till then, you stay safe and stay healthy.